It was a fun-filled event as the Igbo community held first unity Ofala of His Royal Highness Igwe Alexander Azike, IDU the third of Igbo. Chinefesokoye captured the site.
That grand entry of IDU and his entourage in Zenozo Mary Chief's IDU cabinet and IDU, among others, with 21-gun salute heralded the official opening of the first Ofala festival of His Royal Highness Igwe Alexander Azike Azike IDU 3 of Ukwu on Saturday, Nkwo, January 4, 2025, at the Igwe's Palace.
I am very happy. I thank God for today. I thank God for a day like this. You see the crowd. I did not expect that, so I am much happy. And I pray that the Almighty God will bless every one of them, because it is not easy. I am happy. I'm fulfilled. I thank God.
I feel very happy to see this crowd of people in my palace. I'm telling the Igbo women that this is a starting point for us to achieve our goals. If we gather ourselves together, put our opinions together, we will forge ahead to get our achievements.
The unprecedented crowd witnessed at the epoch-making Ofala was a reflection of the theme "United We Stand" as the Igbo community spoke in unison and came out in their numbers to show solidarity to their own chosen king.
Thank you. It's the first unity of Ofala we are having in the history of this town, and as you can see, people are happy. Igbo, we are united. We love ourselves. We want to project our culture to the world.
People from all walks of life, from political, economic, social, business, class, we are part of the fun-filled cultural event.
Of joy, and I must even praise the PG for a well-organized Ofala festival.
There's a lot of progress and there's unity.
Speeches by stakeholders, cultural displays, and homages by organizations, groups, and individuals formed part of the highlights. Some members of the organizing committee, among other speakers, expressed joy over the success of the 2025 Ofala Festival in Ukwu, stating that unity is indeed strength, and that united they stand.
Seeing the success we are witnessing now, it is as a result of diligent planning.
Igbo decided to come with one voice to support the IDU, to support the president, and to move forward as a community.
From the mood, of the people here, you can tell that God is with this present IDU.
From Igbo, Chinyere Fesi Okoye, NTN News.